Ever wondered what happens to your body when you eat fennel seeds every day? These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch, offering a plethora of health benefits. Stick around as we dive deep into the amazing effects of incorporating fennel seeds into your daily diet. But before we start, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss any video. Did you know fennel seeds were historically used as an appetite suppressant? In ancient times, Roman soldiers reportedly chewed fennel seeds to stave off hunger during long marches and times of scarcity. This practice was due to fennel seeds' ability to promote a feeling of fullness, thanks to their high fiber content and aromatic compounds. These aromatic seeds come from the fennel plant, scientifically known as Feniculum vulgare. Used for centuries in cooking and medicine, fennel seeds are renowned for their distinct flavor and impressive health benefits. Whether you add them to your dishes, brew them as tea, or even chew them raw, fennel seeds can transform your health in surprising ways. Digestive health. First up, let's talk about digestion. Fennel seeds are a well-known remedy for various digestive issues. Rich in dietary fiber, fennel seeds aid in smooth digestion. They help to prevent constipation by promoting regular bowel movements. The seeds contain compounds like anethole, fenchone, and estragol, which have antispasmodic and carminative properties, reducing bloating and gas. So, if you often suffer from digestive discomfort, a daily dose of fennel seeds could be the natural remedy you've been looking for. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Next, let's explore the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are packed with antioxidants like flavonoids, phenolic compounds, and vitamins A and C. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and protect your cells from damage. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory properties of fennel seeds can help reduce chronic inflammation, which is linked to various diseases, including heart disease and arthritis. Incorporating fennel seeds into your diet could be a simple yet effective way to boost your overall health and protect your body against chronic diseases. Hormonal balance. Did you know that fennel seeds can also help with hormonal balance? This is particularly beneficial for women. Fennel seeds contain phytoestrogens, which mimic estrogen in the body. This can help regulate menstrual cycles, reduce symptoms of menopause, and even improve fertility. For women dealing with hormonal imbalances, fennel seeds offer a natural way to manage symptoms and support reproductive health. Weight management. If you're on a weight loss journey, fennel seeds might become your new best friend. Fennel seeds have diuretic properties which help reduce water retention. They also boost metabolism and suppress appetite, aiding in weight management. A simple way to harness these benefits is by drinking fennel seed water. Just soak a teaspoon of seeds in water overnight, strain, and drink it first thing in the morning. This refreshing drink can kickstart your metabolism and help you feel fuller for longer, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Heart health. Now let's talk about heart health. Fennel seeds are great for your cardiovascular system. They are rich in dietary fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels. Additionally, the potassium in fennel seeds helps regulate blood pressure. By reducing bad cholesterol and controlling blood pressure, fennel seeds can help lower the risk of heart disease. Immune system support. Fennel seeds also play a role in boosting your immune system. Packed with vitamin C, fennel seeds enhance the body's immune response. They also have antimicrobial properties that can help fight off infections. Incorporating fennel seeds into your diet can help keep your immune system strong, especially during cold and flu season. Skin and hair benefits. Let's not forget the beauty benefits. Fennel seeds can work wonders for your skin and hair. The antioxidants in fennel seeds help fight free radicals, reducing signs of aging. They can also help treat acne and give your skin a healthy glow. For your hair, fennel seeds can help strengthen hair follicles and reduce dandruff, promoting healthier, shinier hair. Whether you use them in your beauty routine or consume them regularly, fennel seeds can contribute to radiant skin and luscious locks. Respiratory health. Fennel seeds can also be beneficial for respiratory health. The essential oils in fennel seeds, such as cineole and anethole, have expectorant properties that can help clear mucus from the respiratory tract. This makes them useful in treating respiratory ailments like bronchitis, coughs, and congestion. A simple fennel tea or chewing on fennel seeds can provide relief from these symptoms. Eye health. Next, let's talk about eye health. Fennel seeds are rich in antioxidants and vitamin A, both of which are essential for maintaining good vision. The antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress in the eyes, which can lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Additionally, fennel seed extracts have been traditionally used as an eye wash to alleviate eye inflammation and fatigue. Detoxification. Fennel seeds can also aid in detoxification. They have diuretic properties that help increase urine production, which in turn helps flush out toxins from the body. By promoting regular detoxification, fennel seeds support kidney health and help maintain a healthy urinary tract. Bone health. For strong bones, fennel seeds can be a great addition to your diet. They contain essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are crucial for bone density and strength. Regular consumption of fennel seeds can contribute to better bone health and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Cognitive function. Lastly, fennel seeds can boost cognitive function. The potassium in fennel seeds is known to improve brain function by increasing electrical conductivity and stimulating neural activity. Additionally, the antioxidants in fennel seeds help protect the brain from oxidative stress, which can improve memory and cognitive performance. So how can you easily add fennel seeds to your daily routine? Here are a few tips. 1. Chewing fennel seeds. One of the simplest ways to consume fennel seeds is by chewing them directly after meals. This traditional practice not only aids digestion, but also freshens your breath. 2. Fennel tea. 5 to 10 minutes fennel tea by steeping a teaspoon of fennel seeds in hot water for 5-10 minutes. Strain and drink this soothing tea to help with digestion and respiratory issues. You can enjoy it hot or iced and add a bit of honey or lemon for extra flavor. 3. Fennel water. Prepare fennel seed water by soaking a teaspoon of seeds in a glass of water overnight. Drink this infused water first thing in the morning to kickstart your metabolism and aid in detoxification. 4. In cooking. Incorporate fennel seeds into your cooking by adding them to soups, stews, and curries. They add a mild, sweet, anise-like flavor that complements many dishes. 5. Baking. Use ground fennel seeds in baking to add a unique flavor to bread, cookies, and cakes. They pair well with both sweet and savory recipes. 6. Salads and dressings. Sprinkle whole or ground fennel seeds on salads for added crunch and flavor. You can also incorporate them into homemade salad dressings for an extra aromatic twist. 7. Roasted vegetables. Add fennel seeds to your roasted vegetable recipes. Toss vegetables like carrots, potatoes, or Brussels sprouts with olive oil, fennel seeds, salt, and pepper before roasting. 8. Seasoning mixes. Incorporate fennel seeds into spice blends and rubs for meats and seafood. They can enhance the flavor profile of your dishes when mixed with other spices like cumin, coriander, and black pepper. 9. Pickling. Use fennel seeds in pickling brines to infuse your pickles with a unique and aromatic flavor. They work well with cucumbers, carrots, and other vegetables. 10. Smoothies. Blend a small amount of fennel seeds into your morning smoothie. Their mild flavor can complement fruits and vegetables without overpowering the drink. 11. Soups and stews. Add fennel seeds to soups and stews to enhance their flavor. They pair particularly well with tomato-based dishes and add a subtle sweetness. 12. Homemade spice mixes. Make your own spice blends that include fennel seeds. These can be used to season a variety of dishes, from roasted vegetables to grilled meats. 13. Fennel seed oil. Use fennel seed oil, available in health food stores, as a dietary supplement. It can be taken directly or added to foods and beverages. By incorporating fennel seeds into your daily diet through these various methods, you can enjoy their health benefits in a delicious and versatile way. Incorporating fennel seeds into your daily diet is a small change that can lead to significant health benefits. From improving digestion and heart health to boosting your immune system and enhancing your beauty, these tiny seeds are truly a powerhouse. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Cheers to a healthier you.